Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials so setup is fast and accurate. Sign into your Google account, then open Google Business Profile and click Create. Enter your exact business name and primary category because search matches depend on it. Add a public phone number and website now so verification can list contact points. Once done, pick service areas or a storefront address. This determines how customers find you. Make sure to upload at least one clear photo to improve initial trust. Once you receive verification options, choose the fastest available. Phone or instant verification is ideal. Verify because Google prioritizes verified profiles in local search. After verification, optimize. Write a concise business description that explains what you do and why customers choose you, and add services or menu items with prices when applicable. Use attributes like wheelchair accessible or offers delivery to match search filters. Make sure photos, logo, and cover image are high quality. They influence click-through rate. You finalize by publishing your profile and creating a simple post or offer to signal activity. Continue managing reviews and messages because responsiveness increases customer trust. Reply within 24 to 48 hours when possible. Monitor insights weekly to understand search queries, clicks, and calls so you can adjust keywords and categories. If something goes wrong, wrong address, suspended listing, or missing verification, request re-verification. Correct inaccuracies immediately, and use the account help menu to contact Google support for escalations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.